Hello everyone, I'm Shashank, and today we are going to discuss about the different shots, different camera angles and different camera movements. If you are new to this channel, then please press the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon to get all notification about the upcoming videos on film editing techniques. So let's start with some camera shots. The first one is extreme close-up. It captures the micro detailing of any subject. It can be just your eyes, finger, or any other thing. Close-up. If we are featuring any person, then full face is the close-up shot. It is important when we have to show facial expressions. Medium shot. It is something above the waist and become important when you want to show body language or gesture of a person. Long shot. Long shot is useful when you want to show both character and premise both in your frame, or we can say when you want to add action and location along with the subject. Extreme long shot. When you think your location become more prominent for the story, then we give more importance to the premise with respect of character. It is mostly used as an opening shot of any film or sequence. Bird eye view. It is used when you want to show topography of a location. Aerial shots also falls under the same category. Low angle. Here camera points up from down. It allows the character to be dominating in the frame. High angle. Here camera points down from a higher angle. It makes the character seems powerless. Now let's move to some basic camera movement. The first one is track. Here your camera can move left to right or right to left. We can also move it vertically. There are some other camera movements which you can achieve by holding your camera on your tripod, like tilt up and down and panning left to right. I hope you have learned something good and useful today. So like and share this video. If you have any doubt, then comment below. I will definitely try to reply you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel as we are coming up with 25 tutorials on film editing. If you have missed out the previous videos of this series, then check now in the description. Till then, bye bye.